explain frequency modulation. When the frequency of carrier wave is changed in accordance with the intensity of the signal, the process is called frequency modulation. In frequency modulation, the amplitude and phase of the carrier wave remains constant. Only the frequency of the carrier wave is changed in accordance with the signal. The frequency variation of the carrier wave depends upon the instantaneous amplitude of the signal as shown in the figure. When the signal voltage is 0 at A, C, E and G, the carrier frequency is unchanged. When the signal approaches its positive peaks at B and F, the carrier frequency is increased to maximum as shown by closely spaced cycles in the figure C. But during the negative peak of the signal as at D, the carrier frequency is reduced to minimum as shown by widely spaced cycles in figure C. The louder signal causes greater frequency change in modulated carrier as indicated by increased bunching and spreading of the waves as compared with relatively weaker signal. The frequency of an FM transmitter without input is called the resting frequency or center frequency F0, and this is the allocated frequency of the transmitter. When the signal is applied, the carrier frequency deviates up and down from its resting value F0. The change or shift either above or below the resting frequency is called frequency deviation del F. The total variation in frequency from the lowest to the highest is called carrier swing. Hence, carrier swing is equal to 2 into frequency deviation, that is 2 into del F. For the purposes of FM broadcast, it has been internationally agreed to restrict maximum deviation to 75 kHz on each side of the center frequency for sounds of maximum loudness. Advantages: it gives noiseless reception. Noise is a form of amplitude variation, and a FM receiver will reject such noise signals. The operating range is quite large. The efficiency of transmission is very high. Disadvantages: a much wider channel is required by FM. FM transmitting and receiving equipment tends to be more complex.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.